In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your photos and videos from iCloud without deleting them from your phone. So in order to do this, you first need to head over to the Settings app on your phone, and then click on your profile name in the very top. From here, select iCloud and then click on Photos. Now, all you need to do is turn off and disable Sync This iPhone like so. And then you'll have the option to either remove them from your iPhone or download photos and videos. Now, if you want to keep a copy on your phone, you'll need to press Download Photos and Videos. And of course, to do this, you need to ensure you have adequate storage space on your phone. So once it's finished syncing, you may need to come back to this window and once again disable Sync This iPhone. And once this is turned off, what you need to do is head over to an internet browser. So I'll just be using Safari, and once you're on your internet browser, you need to go to the website iCloud.com, and then you need to click Sign In and sign into your iCloud account. Now, once you're on the iCloud website, scroll down and click on Photos. And now from here, you can delete all of your iCloud photos because we've already turned off the sync feature on our phone. Then deleting them from iCloud is not going to delete them from your phone. So all you need to do is click on the Select button in the top right-hand side, and you can either choose to select all, or you can just choose which photos you want to delete individually. And once you're finished, click on the trash icon in the bottom right-hand side and press Delete. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you delete your media from iCloud without deleting it on your iPhone. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one.